Good morning. I'm Philip Clarke. I'm the Health and Safety Manager for Northavon M&E Limited. And I just want to spend a few minutes talking about this scheme. We're here at Ashford Water Treatment Works. We've been involved in a major refurbishment of this work, so it started back in 2012, and in fact we're due to complete on site in September this year. So, fairly major scheme. I'm extremely passionate about this scheme because it's been such a success story for all the parties involved, and I can say that with absolute conviction. I think what I really want to explain though is what's made that possible? What's been different about this project compared with others? Well, Wessex Water, our client on this scheme, chose to move away from the traditional approach to this sort of scheme, which normally would have involved a designer, one of the large design companies who would design the solution, and then they would employ a contractor such as ourselves to undertake the mechanical and electrical installation, and then a civils contractor to undertake the civils work. But credit to Wessex Water, they took a pretty bold step with this scheme, and what they did was to engage a consultant, a small firm of consultants, absolute professionals with in-depth knowledge of the water industry, ourselves and themselves, and really put that together as a project management organisation, not working as partners, I think that term's very overused, but working almost as an extension of Wessex Water itself. And that alone has contributed hugely to the success of this project. The other area that I think is a key factor in what's been delivered here, and I'll talk about some of the benefits that we've seen in a moment, is the design and build philosophy that's been adopted. So, as I said earlier, rather than a large external design house providing a design up front, this has been approached purely as design and build with full involvement of Wessex Water. And Wessex Water is a customer with a number of different hats. Firstly, we have Wessex Engineering and Construction Services responsible for the overall delivery of the scheme. But then we have the end users. Those are the people who have to operate and maintain whatever we deliver here every day for the life of this asset. And that could be 20 years or more. I always like to remember what I try to get across to our project managers is we're only going to build this once, but they are going to operate and maintain it every day. And we have to take account of that in the solution that we deliver so that they can, in a safe manner, operate this asset.